Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to your daily dose of adrenaline. Today we're diving into some thrilling news from the world of hypercars, so buckle up and let's hit the gas on today's roundup. Now imagine a stunning midnight blue Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport tearing down the Nürburgring, its quad-turbocharged engine roaring, echoing off the mountainside. This week, Bugatti has announced new performance upgrades for this beast, claiming it can now reach 60 mph in an eye-watering 2.3 seconds. Can you believe that? What a sight it would be, right? Picture this beauty hugging the asphalt as the sun sets behind the hills. Pure automotive magic. Next up, let's talk about Ferrari. They've just unveiled a stunning new addition to their lineup, the Ferrari 499p, a sleek, striking hybrid race car painted in their iconic Rosso Corsa red. Imagine it speeding down the track, carbon fiber accents glistening under the racetrack lights. This vehicle is not just for looks, folks. With over 1,000 horsepower, it's built for performance. Just envision that power churning through its engine as it takes a sharp corner, tires screaming in delight. And now, shifting gears to something really special, our friends at McLaren have released details on the upcoming McLaren Sabre. Picture this: a breathtaking silver Sabre cutting through the air on a coastal highway, the ocean sparkling in the background. This one-of-a-kind beauty boasts a twin-turbo V8 engine, promising a staggering top speed of 218 mph. Just imagine the rush you'd feel behind the wheel, wind in your hair, and the sound of that engine thrilling your senses. Finally, let's not forget about electric tech. Porsche has teased their all-electric 718 Spider, showcasing a design that's simply irresistible. Capturing sunlight on its vibrant green body as it zips through an urban landscape at twilight, you'll catch glimpses of pedestrians stopping to stare. Who wouldn't want to take a ride in this futuristic masterpiece? This isn't just a car, it's a statement. So, what do you think about these speedy marvels? Which hypercar has captured your heart? Drop your thoughts and favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed today's roundup, and subscribe for your daily fix of exotic car news. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passions ignited. See you on the track.